Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to hide your photo and put a password on the album where this photo will be stored. Only you will be able to view these photos. How do you do that? It's very simple. You go into the gallery. Now you need to select the photo you want to hide. Then you click on the photo and select the three dots here. And then you click on Hide. Hide photo. Now go out of here. Our photo is already hidden. It is in an album called Hidden. If I click on this album, I'll be asked for a Face ID or password. That's how it works. In order for you to have this option, you have to go into your iPhone settings. You go down below and find the item, Photos. You go down to the bottom. And here you need to turn on Use Face ID. And also the item, Show Hidden Album. Then you will have the opportunity to hide your photos and videos. All of them will be in this album under the password. This is the way. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye. This was the Phone Support Channel. See you later, my friends.